Hello everyone. Today we are going to practice a very natural English conversation between two friends meeting after a long time. This type of conversation is very common in real life and will help you improve your speaking confidence. So, listen carefully, repeat with me, and enjoy the shadowing practice. Let's begin. Hey, is that you, Rahul? Oh my god, Arav, after so many years. I can't believe this. How are you? I'm doing great. What about you? I'm good too. You haven't changed at all. Haha, you look different now. Really? Maybe because of work stress. Haha, same here. So, what are you doing these days? I'm working in a software company now. And you? I recently started my own business. Wow, that's amazing. I'm really happy for you. Thank you. It hasn't been easy, but I'm enjoying it. That's great. By the way, do you still meet our old friends? Sometimes everyone is busy with their own lives now. True. I really miss our school days. Me too. Those were the best days of our lives. Remember how we used to play cricket after school every day? Of course. And you always cheated during the matches. Hey, that's not true. Haha, I'm just kidding. We should plan a reunion someday. Definitely. It would be so much fun. Anyway, it was really nice meeting you after such a long time. Same here. Let's stay in touch this time. Sure, take care. You too. Bye. Excellent practice today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking English every single day. Remember, fluency comes with daily practice and confidence. See you in the next video. Bye.